In this video, I'll show you how to import photo reference into the template and then bring the opacity down to 50% so we can sketch over it. Download the sketch template.psd from the assignment and open it in Photoshop on your computer. We're going to import the photo reference into the template. I'm going to pull Photoshop to the side here so that I can drag and drop the photos inside the template. Let's take the opacity of this photo down to 50%, do a Command T to transform it, bring the image up here to the first panel, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so we can see the full hand, so we get a sense of a person holding a smartphone, and press return. Get the rectangle marquee tool and click and select the areas outside of the sketch area to delete. I'm going to delete the bottom down here too. Command D to deselect. Let's get the tiny house and drag it into the template. Bring the opacity to 50%. Let's get our move tool and move the house up here. Command T to transform. Let's make it smaller until it's inside of the sketch area. You may need to turn it. It might be sideways or a little slanted, and press return. We have an issue with this one where we don't have enough image on the bottom or the top. I'll show you how to fix that part in the next video. All right, let's drag in the couple relaxing in the tiny home. All right, so the image is really small, and this happens occasionally in Photoshop where we bring an image into a design and it's really tiny. To combat that issue, let's take the image and drag it into the Photoshop app down here on the dock, and it will open up by itself. So let's do a Command A to select all, Command C to copy it, and let's go back to our template and do a Command V to paste it in. And it's bigger now. So remember that trick. Let's bring the image up here. I think that's a good size. We just need to add to the top and the bottom. Let's delete the other photo that came in smaller. And let's take the opacity down to 50%. Before we sketch, we want to expand our imagery. I'll show you how to do that in the next video.